Aquarius. It runs from 300 to 330 degree in the zodiac in the ecliptic hypothetically drawn by us. Aquarius is an airy sign, rises in the west. It is fixed male, Shudra, the service class, and diurnal, very powerful during the day. The ruling planet is Saturn. The color is not white and not black, in between. And the symbol of Aquarius, as per the Vedic philosophy, is two pictures. Empty, some people say, as per the Parashara, Rishi Parashar, the sage Parashar. But some modern thinkers say it cannot be, it should be filled with water. Out of the 12 signs in the zodiac, as per the Vedic philosophy, Aquarius is the most auspicious sign. The people born under Aquarians are known as the most auspicious people. Always busy, always doing good to others, becoming carpet for the benefit of others. They are tall, lanky, little fair in complexion. Lower part of the body, like buttocks, they are bit fat, filthy, moving always, and legs are little, not small but thin. Ankles are very weak, bones normally are weak. As I have told you, this Aquarius is the most auspicious sign among us the 12 signs. As per the Vedic philosophy or the Hindu rituals, whenever there is some auspicious work, if we are going out of home or coming back home after a long trip or even entering into the house, we always put one pitcher of water as a symbol of the 5 tattvas in our body, including the water. Aquarians are humanitarian, intellectuals, thinking deep for each and every aspect of life, independently, working for any job, but willing to work for anybody, for the other's cause, generous, rational, religious, innovative, inventive, loyal, devoted to life, loves sensual pleasures, sometimes loves to talk only of the sensual pleasures. Whenever they leave an impression or a vacuum behind them. If Aquarians are negative, they are eccentric, unbelievable, harmful, and bad to be in the company of Aquarians. The body parts basically are the ankles. The circulatory system in their body is normally weak. Lower legs, blood disorders, lower abdomen portion also are unsatisfied with their own people for whom they have given life. You can quote them as the mad people in the world. They are not mad, but people consider them as mad because of their giving nature. Aquarians love to work in society, in the organizations, just to make a change in them. They are revolutionary by heart. They can change any good or bad notions prevailing for a longer time in the society. That's why they are sometimes called as unconventional people. They are investigative, cautious, intellectually strong people. Sometimes they prove to be as very good spies. They can go to the depth of the psychology of a person. Hiding their emotions is very easy for them. Apart from their traditional nature and orthodox nature, they are very innovative and inventive also. They do a lot of research. They love the modern technologies and they force people also to go modern, away from the traditional values. They try to find out the practicality and the practical approach to live better. As per the Western philosophy, Sun sign Aquarius runs from 21st of January to 19th of February. What they feel the Aquarians are. If you want to find out the most dependable people in the society, find out an Aquarian. The most giver people in the society are Aquarians, social workers, sociologists, working for the society, philosophers. They all are Aquarians according to them. They are good for the society. They are risking their life is only the cup of tea of Aquarians. If you want to see the life of an Aquarian, the personal life, it is loneliness. They are diplomats, spies, magicians, astronauts, but living alone. Not like Capricornians, they love loneliness for themselves. No, they love loneliness, meditation, to rejuvenate them, their mental and the mystic powers for the benefit of others. And what satisfaction they get out of it is, at least they have done something. And in return, they don't even love to have name and fame. And when it comes to people, they never love to have the quality of the people around them. They love to have the quantity of the people in the world for them.